Number 2 in my song series for this summer, Wingman. Well, it's Saturday night and I feel alright. I'm hanging by the doorman where I sit tight. We talk and we talk like we always do, but I need a little favor, a favor from you. I need a wingman. I want to talk to that dude over there. I need a third party to bring him over here. I need a wingman. Well, it's Saturday morning at the grocery store. It's more than food that I'm shopping for. Up and down the aisle like I always do, but I'd really like something new to chew. I need a wingman. A wingman is a social lubricant. A wingman gets done what I can't. I need a wingman. Well, I'm stopped in traffic at a red stoplight. I take a quick look and he's in my sight. This is not something I would ever do, but I'd really like to talk to someone new. I need a wingman. I want to talk to that dude over there. I need a third party to bring him over here. I need a wingman. A wingman is a social lubricant. A wingman gets done what I can't. I need a wingman. Well, it's Monday morning at the old salt mine. There is a new guy that has caught my eye. Gotta beware of the company ink. I ask a third party what he would think. I need a wingman. I want to talk to that dude over there. I need a third party to bring him over here. I need a wingman. A wingman is a social lubricant. A wingman gets done what I can't. I need a wingman. I'll use this strategy for these opportunities. I won't waste my life on the sidelines. I need a wingman. Will you be my wingman? Can you be my wingman? Are you my wingman? Where is my wingman? Who is my wingman? I'll be your wingman if you'll be my wingman. I need a wingman. Wingman.